Did you know wombats produce cube-shaped poop? It's true. And not just a party trick. This oddity helps their droppings stay put, marking territory without rolling away. Mother Nature does have a quirky sense of design. Meanwhile, octopuses? They might squirting at predators, but their camouflage game is unmatched. Space might be the final frontier, but it's full of delightful surprises. Ever heard of the Diamond Planet? That's right, 55 Cancri is loaded with sparkling jewels. Just imagine a blinged-out world. It's like science fiction met a jewelry heist. Buckle up, space cadets. We've just started our cosmic journey. For instance, did Napoleon Bonaparte face a bizarre rabbit battle? During a hoax hunt, hundreds of bunnies swarmed him, turning tables on expectations. And did you know Roman Emperor Caligula made his horse a consul? Perhaps the equestrian government wasn't such a galloping success, though. Our planet's a weird wonderland, folks. Check out the eternal flames of Turkmenistan's door to hell crater. A fiery pit that's been burning since 1971. The culprit? A collapsed gas field. Then there's Lake Hillier, a bubblegum pink water body in Australia baffling scientists. So much for plain old ponds. Technology, friend or foe? You decide. We've ever-ready devices, but did you know the first internet webcam monitored a coffee pot? Java lovers needed their fix without trekking across the office. Ingenious. And who can forget the forgotten media stars, floppy disks that couldn't handle a song today? Humans aren't dull, either. Who would guess our gory history includes radium water, that glow-in-the-dark, sensational drink? Thankfully, we've moved past radioactive refreshments. Crazier yet, ever heard of a laughter epidemic? In 1962, Tanzania was gripped by giggles, proving humor's contagion isn't to be taken lightly. Nature sure knows how to flaunt her bizarre side. The immortal jellyfish, for instance, cheats death by reverting to its juvenile state. Talk about an eternal youth hack. Or, consider the axolotl, a salamander that doesn't mature, resembling a Pokémon. Forget mythical creatures, these guys are the real deal. Inventions can amaze and amuse. Take spray-on fabric, yup, cloth you apply like graffiti. Practical? Potentially. Lasagna you animate with movies played on your plate, anyone? That's the future of dining entertainment. Stay excited, because mankind's innovative spark seems to grow quirkier by the invention. Language can baffle and bemuse. Did you know the word bookkeeper has 3 consecutive double letters? It's not a typo. Puzzle solvers and linguists united. Meanwhile, Gobbledygook sums up those cringe-inducing bureaucrat speeches perfectly, proving once again, English never shakes off those playful oddities. Consider this, in 1919, a molasses flood swept through Boston due to a burst storage tank. Sound sticky? It sunk the town in a sugary sea poignantly. Remember that time when Londoners walked on the carefully laid coffinless corpses path from plague? Spooky practicality the Brits fully embraced. Wow, that was a whirlwind. Such curious kids with super knowledge deserve applause. But the fun doesn't stop. Explore more oddities, share facts with friends, and impress everyone with scientific silliness. And hey, hit that subscribe button for more unexpected explorations. Stay curious, you magnificent fact finders.